Issa se ngħaddu għas-sezzjoni favorita tagħna tal-qari ta' Aqra Naqra.
Hey, how are you today? Today I'm here to read to you a part of the book The Piano at the Station, written by Helen Rutter. Chapter 1. Lazy Leighton, Mr. Jensen yells, I am sick and tired of hearing your voice. I'm about to get kicked out again. I just need to say one more thing and I'll be free. I hate maths more than any other subject. Well, actually, it's Mr. Jensen I hate more than any other teacher. I used to be pretty good at maths in primary school. I consider keeping my mouth shut for a second. Maybe I'll stay and mess with Mr. Jensen for a bit longer, but then he gives me a look. It's a look that says he's disgusted by me and would rather be teaching anyone else in the whole world. That does it. I can't keep it in. Well, I'm sick and tired of hearing your voice, sir. I say with a smirk. It works. Out, he shouts. None of the teachers seem to understand that I don't care. I don't want to be in their boring lessons. So it's hardly a punishment to get kicked out, is it? Anyway, I only said what Mr. Jensen said to me. Why do I get kicked out and he's still free to teach his boring lesson class? So I'm soon sitting in isolation, yet again. The head teacher, Mrs. Hawken, spots me from her office and shakes her head. What are we going to do with you, Lacey? That big brain of yours is being wasted. You spend more time here than in the classroom. I love it here, miss, I reply. I'm sure you do, says Mrs. Hawken. We might need to chat to your mum again, see what we can do to make school a bit easier for you. Mom's busy, miss. She won't answer the phone today. This is a lie. Mom's shift will have finished by now. She'll be in the kitchen drinking tea with Auntie Jackie before her next shift starts. Well, you are on your last chance, Lacey, Mrs. Hawken goes on. Try to stay out of trouble for a while. What are you doing at lunchtime? I know you find break times complicated. It's not me, miss, I say. Everyone starts on me for no reason. Well, stay out of it today, okay? Find something else to do or something else to be. Yes, miss. I don't want the school to call Mom again. It's not that she's bothered about me getting in trouble. I think she actually finds it pretty funny. Mom says I remind her of her when she was young, but I don't want to have a deal with the other kids making comments about her. Seeing the way she is and seeing that's why I'm like I am. The last time Mom was in, she had been singing down the halls, looking in all her old classrooms and pulling faces at the teachers. Then Elisa Harris made some snooty comment about how rough Mom was. What will happen today? Where would Elisa end? This is what this story is about. The Piano at the Station. See you next time.